Hi friends, in previous video we saw how to hide a folder and how to unhide that folder, and you can see if you hide any folder then anyone can unhide that folder. But today in this video we will know how you can hide any folder permanently. So for hiding, click here, type CMD, here type attrib plus n plus s plus r and the folder name, that is turn to code. Hit enter. It is invalid. Let's try again. Here it is successfully compiled, and here you can see the folder is hidden, and here we also showing our hidden files, but the file is not visible. If you want to unhide that file, then again open CMD. For unhiding, type attrib -h -s -r, type your folder name that you want to unhide, that is turn to code. Hit enter, and you have successfully unhidden the folder. The folder is visible. Thank you guys. If this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe your YouTube channel.